Well, in this video we're going to attempt to have a look around this abandoned house, which hopefully we're hoping we can get in, but we'll find out. But it's an absolutely beautiful day, and this is the house. Oh, there we are. I can see an entrance. One thing I did forget to bring is my flaming light. Right, I'm in. I should have fetched my flaming light, but never mind. I'm not breaking in. There's access. Let's have a wander around here. And it looks like there's been plenty of people in here before. Apparently it was bought by somebody. I need to get a light.
Let me know in the comments below if you see any weird shapes, shadows, apart from mine, that is.
Yeah, that floor is dropped.
Let me know if there's any footsteps as well, just in case I didn't hear them.
When people would pay a fortune for these radiators. You know, if somebody in London wanted them radiators, they'd pay a fortune for them. It's even got a lift. Or it had a lift. What the heck? So somebody's obviously tried to do it up at some point. If they've done all this work to it, putting a lift in, extractor fans. I don't know when it was abandoned.
Since found out it was abandoned in 2015. But in the early 2000s, it had a £6 million restoration plan approved.
And this must have been possibly a chapel at some point. Looking at the timber of the roof structure. Let's have a look. shall we? I always find the hard way in first, as you'll know from previous videos. I mean, there's not a lot left of this place, apart from some old radiators, which people would probably pay a fortune for. I mean, when they tried modernising this place, they hid a lot of, I mean, look at that. That's just sacrilege, really, doing that to a ceiling like that. Toilet. John would love it in here. If I knew where she were, I'd go and find her.
In the early 20th century, this place, its ownership was dramatically changed. It was bought out by the county council and became a school, partly a boarding school as well.
Whoever the last people were that did use this place, they put in plenty of toilets, that's for sure. Ceilings are, floorboards are a little bit iffy, just to say the least. We'll go up there in a minute. That must have been the main entrance, by the looks of it. Let's have a look up here. That obviously goes back down to where we were before. Where does this go? Oh, we walked past there before. Let's have a walk up here. I mean, these are stone steps, they're not going anywhere.
In the early 1970s, that's when this place stopped being a school and it closed. It then became a residential centre for outdoor studies. And then when that closed, that's when it started to end up like this.
I think that floorings gave way. Tell you, this is absolutely fascinating. Going around places like this. Swap hands on me holding this. It's a nice, lovely sunny day, but flipping it, that wind's cold. Oh, found a bathtub. Let's have a look down here. Anybody want a bath?
Sorry, I can't do anything about the graffiti on the walls.
I mean, the views are quite nice. Stunning views out of. Obviously there's all the graffiti. Can't do anything about that. Fortunately. There's another part over there. I think we might have been in some of it. This is a little bit sketchy. This bit. I think the floor feels solid enough. Just that part of it. The floorboards are missing. Right in the top. This main bit anyway. I'm up another level. I hope you enjoyed our little tour of this abandoned house. If you have any more suggestions where we can go and have a look round, drop them down in the comments below. We'll see you on the next one.